So I wanted to show some pictures of what I do whenever I make a pen. At the beginning I was mixing the resin, then I mix the color, I pour the resin into a mold. This here is a hybrid, so I'm putting the wood into the mold. Then I'm pouring more resin on top of it. I'm showing you the resin here. Then it goes into the pressure pot under 40 psi pressure.
Well, here we are back in the shop. I just got done pulling out the new blank that we made the other day. I wanted to show it to you. This is it. If you notice, the bottom part has all the sparkles in it. Hopefully those sparkles got throughout the blank as well. Uh, this has been a little over 36 hours since we poured this, and now I'm going to make this into a pen.
Here I am, I'm drilling out the pen blank. Then I'm gluing the brass tube into the pen blank, then sanding it down so the ends are even. You want to get it down to where you see the brass at the end of each blank, on each end. On each end is bushings that match the pen. Now here I am cutting the pen blank down. And here I am sanding it down. Now I'm using micro mesh pads to buff it. And then I'm using a buffing wheel to buff it down. And here it is finished with a shine on it. And then here I am putting it together with a pen press. This is the finished product once it's done and ready to be sold.